Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to get alerts when your personal data leaks on Google. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Google's dark web report is going to end soon, unfortunately. But on the lighter side, we have Google's results about you tool to protect our digital identity if we want. To do this on our mobile, we have to take our smartphone and open the Google app. Make sure the app is updated and we have selected our required Google profile at the top. Then we have to select the profile pic icon and here we will have results about you. Select that. So then we can select the get started option to enter our personal details for Google to track them online. We will see how to do this in the desktop version. It will be easier to type there. And to do this on our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to google.com. Make sure that we have logged in using our required Google account. Then we have to select the profile pic. Go to manage your Google account. And here on this side, go to data and privacy. Here select my activity and then on this side go to other activity. Here we can search for results about you. We will get this link. We can select this. So that's all. This is the results about you page, or we can simply Google results about you and we will get this link. We can select that. That's all. So here we can select get started. We can enter our name. We can also add any other name. We can add that if we want. Then we can select continue. So here we have to enter our home address, phone number, email. I'll enter all this and get back to you. So after entering all the details, we can select continue. We can recheck all our details and here we have notifications option. We can enable email notification and also app notification and we can confirm this. Then select save. That's all. Monitoring is on. So the first check usually takes under 6 hours. So we have to wait till that. That's all. This is our another Google account and here we can see all the results. We have 26 results to review. So we can see all this. We can select this and we will get more details. We have two options, mark as reviewed and request to remove. If we select request to remove, they will notify the website and do from their end. We have removal requests here. So that's all. We can select this gear icon to check all the details. And at the end, we also have this option to remove all personal information. We can select this if we want. So that's all we have to do. These are the steps to get alerts when your personal data leaks on Google. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.